Chairman George Erwin M. Garcia to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Panfilo Morena Lacson.
The National Board of Canvassers, we, the Chairman and Commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as a National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Panfilo Morena Lacson as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the 1987 Constitution, Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, George Erwin Garcia, Chairman. Commissioners Amy P. Ferulino, Ray E. Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand P. Maceda Jr., Nelson J. Celis, Maria Norina S. Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pipo. Attested to Fisto E. Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lacson to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Now may we request Senator Lacson for a short message. Again, Senator Lacson for his message.
Matagal-tagal ko na rin kakilala si Chairman Garcia, no? At kung di ako nagkakamali, kami magkababayan sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Pero hindi ko akalain na ganito pala siya kasadista, no? 90 days kaming nagkampanya, halos araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, speech kami ng speech. Nung makita ko yung programa, speech na naman, poproklama na kami, panalo na kami, speech na naman, Chairman. Levity aside, no? Barring any future adverse, serious, and credible issues or accusations raised against the Commission on Elections in the conduct of the May 2025 elections, I take my hat off to Chairman Garcia, the COMELEC commissioners, the staff, the employees of the Commission on Elections for a job well done. Like those who spoke before me, and those who will speak after me, I have a long list of people to thank for making today possible. But I will only mention three most important individuals: God, my dear mother, and my dear father. Incidentally, they are all in heaven. Natatandaan ko noong kami maliliit pa, kami magkakapatid, hindi ko makakalimutan yung paulit-ulit na binibilin sa akin or sa amin ng aking mahal na ina. Huwag kayong magnanakaw, huwag niyong kukunin ang hindi para sa inyo. Katunayan, isang Lunes ng hapon, dumating ang aking nakakatandang kapatid. 1950s ito, nasa elementarya pa kami. Tuwan-tuwa siya, binabalita sa aking ina, Inay, nakapulot po ako ng 1 sentimo. And mind you, Huwag natin matayin ng 1 sentimo ng araw noong 1950s. Late 50s po ito. Dahil mahalaga po ang 1 sentimo. Ang sinabi ng aking ina, ang may-ari ng 1 sentimo na yan, hindi makakatulog ngayong gabi. Kaya saka hanap ng pera na yan. Kaya bukas ng umaga, pagpasok mo sa eskwela, hanapin mong pilit kung sino ang may-ari at isauli mo sa kanya. Yan po ang aking nanay na nagsasabi, nagbibilin na huwag kayong magnanakaw. Ang akin po namang ama, dahil siya anak ng isang veteranong katipunero, si Lolo Mauricio, ang laging habilin naman sa akin na hanggang sa ako'y, kasi nag-abot pa kami bago siya namatay, ako'y naging PNP, Chief PNP, Director General. Ang bili niya sa akin, simple lamang. Lagi mong pakakatandaan, Ping, sabi niya. Ang tama ay paglaban, ang mali ay labanan. Yon po ang akin naging panuntunan, naging aking gabay sa mahigit 50 taon na ako'y nagsilbi sa gobyerno. 20 taon bilang sundalo, 10 taon bilang pulis, at 18 taon bilang senador. At ito po, Chairman, Commissioners, will be my 4th term as an elected Senator of the Republic. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang COMELEC, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Senator Lacson.